My dear students, today I am going to teach you estimation of missing values. This is my third video for you. After completion of second video, I am continuing this. Now, when the values of the function f(x), corresponding to equidistant values of x, is missing, we may consider f(x) as a polynomial of degree n minus 1. f(x) is a polynomial of degree n minus 1, and we get delta to the power n f(x) is equal to 0. Delta to the power n f(x) is equal to 0 for all values of x. When n values of f(x) are known, we assume that f(x) is a polynomial of degree n minus 1. In particular, delta to the power n f(x) naught is equal to 0 for all values of x. We put here in the place of delta e minus 1 whole to the power n f(x) naught is equal to 0. Since we know that from the relationship of delta and e, delta is equal to e minus 1. Now, e minus 1 whole to the power n is equal to e to the power n f(x) naught minus nc1 e to the power n minus 1 f(x) naught plus nc2 e to the power n minus 2 f(x) naught plus etc. plus minus 1 to the power n f(x) naught is equal to 0. Now, that implies f(xn) is equal to that implies f(xn) minus nc1 f(xn minus 1 plus nc2 f(xn minus 2 plus minus 1 to the power n f(x) naught is equal to 0. This is star, and this equation helps to find the missing values. This is f(xn) minus nc1 f(x) minus 1 plus nc2 f(x) minus 2 plus up to minus 1 to the power n f(x) naught is equal to 0. This is the equation which helps to find the missing values. For example, now you see an example. This is the example is you write estimate f(6) from the following. Estimate f(6) from the following. The values are x and f(x), x 2, 6, 10, 14, and the values of f(x) are 8, this is the missing value, 17, 24. Now you see here 3 values of fx are given. Here 3 values of fx are given. So we assume that del cube fx is equal to 0. So we assume that del cube fx is equal to 0 for all values of x. In particular, del cube f2, since our first value is 2, therefore del cube f2 is equal to 0. Here we put in the place of delta e minus 1 whole cube f2 is equal to 0. That implies e minus 1 whole cube is equal to e cube minus thrice e square plus thrice e minus 1. This is f2 is equal to 0. Now you see, here you see, since e to the power r fx is equal to, we have already known, fx plus r h, that implies e cube f2. E cube f2 is equal to f2 plus r is our cube and h, the interval is our 4. Therefore, it is equal to f14. Now, here e cube f2 is equal to f14 minus 3 into f10 plus 3 into f6 plus minus f2 is equal to 0. That implies f14. Now we put here the value of f14. The given value is 24 minus 3 into f10, the given value of f10 is 17 plus 3f6 minus the given value of f2 is 8 is equal to 0. Then after calculation we get that implies 3f6 is equal to 35. That implies f6 is equal to 35 by 3 is equal to 11.67. This is the answer. And in this way, we estimate the missing values with the help of finite differences. Thank you.